it's not called a think, it's called a sink.
A sink.
Not a think.
All right. Hi, I'm Daniel, and this is my wife Marie. She's gonna get a new fresh haircut by me in our salon. You're watching KMS Beyond Hair. I'm using the TAMEFRIZZ Shampoo and Conditioner for Marie's hair because not only it moisturizes the hair, it will also give me a good control later for my styling.
What did you think of me when you first saw me?
To be honest, what I thought is like, she's got to be dangerous for me.
Why?
I did think that.
I think the first time I actually really noticed you was when my mum came as a model and I was cutting her hair and you was the trainer. She said, "Oh, that Felix, he's lovely, isn't he?" And then I thought to myself, yeah, he is actually really lovely, yeah.
I knew when I met you that you're going to be the one. I don't know why. Yeah, I did. I even said it to a friend on a phone call. Just met someone, and I think that could be it. And we weren't even together then.
Do you remember when you, the first time you cut my hair?
When you were just about to go on a date with that boy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I love that.
Why? How did you feel?
I don't know. I was hoping that date wouldn't go well.
No, it actually didn't go very well, so.
What was actually your first job in hairdressing? What was the first thing you did?
The problem with me is that when I was younger, I was really, really shy. I knew that I had a passion for hair because I used to do my sister's hair and my mum's hair. The only problem for me was that hairdressing, you have to be chatty to be a hairdresser. And when I first started out in my first salon in Covent Garden, my boss, he was actually saying, "Marie, if you don't start opening up and speaking to clients, then I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to let you go." And I was like, oh, so now I've really got to just get out.
Pressure on.
Get out of my comfort zone now and just start, just washing hair at the back washes and just starting really slowly and speaking to people. And yeah, it was really, really hard for me.
I think I am actually naturally a shy person.
But I can't understand why, like, a shy person would like stand up on stage and just like do what you do. Why would you do that to yourself?
I don't know.
Why would you put yourself in that situation?
Sometimes I'm standing there and ask myself, like, why do you do that to yourself? You could sit at home and just chill.
I think we're just a really good team, aren't we?
I talk, you cut.
For the style, I definitely want some heat protection in there, which the ThermaShape Hot Flex Spray gives me, and also adds the hold I would need for the look.
Can you say Hot Flex Spray again?
Hot Flex Spray.
Your English is actually definitely much better than when I first met you.
The best recommendation for someone to learn the language is to have a partner who is in the language.
What's with this side here? What's going on there?
I don't know.
Sorry, I don't want to be difficult.
No, it's all right. Dry texture spray.
Do you want to maybe drink some water first before you say it?
No, I can do it.
For the finish, I'm going to use the HAIRPLAY Dry Texture Spray because it gives me the nice airiness I want into the look.
So is my dream thought, live in the countryside and then get to go to exciting places. And that's what I'm doing. I mean, I live here, we live here. We've got like, you know, the 3 kids, 3 sheep, 3 cats.
But we've got a holiday on our own soon, haven't we? Oh my God, what are we going to do?
That'll be a new experience.
It's going to be amazing.
Are we going to be bored?
We could do everything.
Yeah, we're going to be bored.
No, we're not going to be bored.
Yeah, let's take the sheep.
I'm not going to be bored.
We take the sheep with us.
No.
So the TAMEFRIZZ oil now adds to the airiness a bit of definition and shine.
Oh wow, thank you. I love it, yeah. Got really short hair again now. Yeah, I love it.
I hope you enjoyed the conversation between my wife Marie and me today. If you want to watch more Beyond Hair episodes, please go on the KMS YouTube channel.